In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com as a CRM for small business. Whether you're new to Monday.com or looking to harness its capabilities for customer relationship management, this guide will walk you through every step. So let's dive right in and set up your CRM. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Monday.com. Once you're there, you'll notice the Login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Go ahead and click on it. You'll then be directed to a login page. If you're not already signed in, you'll see several options, and today we'll focus on logging in with a Google account. Simply click on Google and select your Google account from the list. It's as easy as that. Now that you're logged into your Monday.com workspace, it's time to set things up. Look to the left panel of your screen. You should see a plus icon. This icon is your gateway to adding new boards and features. Click on it, and a menu will open up. From this menu, locate and click on the Template Center. This is where things get exciting, as you're about to access a range of templates that can simplify your CRM setup. Within the Template Center, scan the categories and find the Real Estate tab. Don't let the name throw you off. In Monday.com, the Real Estate tab contains versatile CRM templates that can be customized to fit your small business needs. Once you've clicked on the Real Estate tab, look for an option named Real Estate CRM. This template is specifically designed to streamline your customer management tasks. After selecting Real Estate CRM, you'll see deeper insights into what this template offers. At this point, if it feels like the right fit for your business, you can proceed by clicking the Use Template button. This simple click will automatically integrate the CRM template into your Monday.com workspace. And there you have it. Your new CRM is now ready for you to customize. You can add your customer data, set up notifications, and adjust the workflow to match your unique processes. Remember, this template is just a starting point. Feel free to adapt it as your business grows and your needs evolve. Using the flexible tools that Monday.com provides, you can develop a CRM system that truly serves your small business. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. I hope you find it helpful in leveraging Monday.com as a powerful CRM tool. Remember to explore all that Monday.com has to offer, and don't hesitate to experiment with its features to find what works best for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy organizing.